Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you step by step how to add local files to Spotify on your computer. Let's get started. Right now, we're using Spotify on a computer, but this method is especially useful if you have music files that are not available on Spotify. For example, maybe you downloaded a song or have a file saved on your PC that you still want to listen to inside Spotify. So first, open Spotify app on your computer, then go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. So once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Library section or Your Library. So here you'll see an option called Show Local Files. So go ahead and turn that on. So as you can see, it's now turned on. The next step is to choose where your music files are coming from. So scroll a bit further down until you see Show Songs From. Here you can select folders on your computer that contain your music. So I'm going to enable Downloads. Once you've done that, click on Add a Source. Then locate your folder. So whether it's in your Documents, Downloads, or Desktop. So select the folder and click on OK. Now, after adding the folder, make sure it's turned on. So Spotify will now scan that folder and automatically detect your music files. Next, go to your library. On the left side, you should now see a section called Local Files. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar and type Local Files to find it. So click on it, and you'll see all the songs from the folder you added. So it's on the left side, click on it. So right here, you can see Local Files, tap on it, and you'll see all the songs from the folder you added. Now, if you want to organize your music, you can add these songs to your playlist. Just click on the add or plus icon. So it's right here. And as you can see, it's now added to your playlist. So once added, your local files will behave just like regular Spotify songs inside your playlist. And that's it. That's how you can easily add and manage local files in Spotify. Thanks for watching.